So in this Canva tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to bold text here on Canva using the Canva desktop version. So first thing you have to do is open up Canva. Once that is done, add some text to your design. So for this example, I'll just press on add a text box right here. I'll make the text a little bit larger in size right here, and I'll just type in example text. So by default, this font is not bolded, some of which are, but if you wanted to bold a font to make it even a little bit larger, simply just press on the text right here to open up this top bar. At the top where there says, the B right here, this is the bold button, so you can go ahead and press on bold. You can, of course, only bold some of the stuff if you're looking for, so if you don't want to bold, some of the stuff, you want to bold some of the stuff, you can kind of turn this on, turn this off, whatever you may think. It's completely up to you. So very straightforward, very simple, but that is how to bold text here on Canva using Canva Desktop. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.